Alright, so this is going to be a video on how to get music for Android, music albums, music album covers, basically any type of music really. And this is actually the best way I've noticed besides actually purchasing it from the Play Store and using the Play Music app, but I really do not like the Play Music app, so this is the next best version or the next best way. First, you go into the Play Store, and this is all for educational purposes, in case you're wondering. It's called FrostWire Torrent Downloader. Just search that and press open. Once you open the app, you're going to get this screen here, which shows some things you can download. I've never heard of any of these. I don't know what they are. Songs, I guess, albums, whatever. And when you go into here, here's what you're going to notice at first. You're going to get search my music. So you can if you just want a music player, you can listen to the music you already have on your phone with it. My files shows the files on your phone, all the music you have on there. Transfers is how you're going to download the music. Help and settings and exit are pretty self-explanatory. Another thing is if you want more search results, you want to go into Chrome and get FrostWire Plus, which is for free. It's just for the internet browser. That's the only difference. And you want to go into settings, security, and check unknown sources so you can get the FrostWire Plus and install it. I already have it, so basically, once if you have FrostWire already installed, installing FrostWire Plus, all it does is change the name and gives you more options, and it gives you the ability to exit the app from the notifications. So if I search for an album, let's search The Game Documentary 2, right? There we go. This is the first album that came to mind, so any type of music will be in here, any album, unless it's some rare, unheard of album by someone. Any album, any song you like is probably in here. Maybe songs may be harder to get if it's a song that's only on YouTube or something. It could be kind of hard unless YouTube is checked as one of your sources. If you go into settings, um, search search settings. Here's all the websites you can get it from. Which basically, at that point, if once you get FrostWire Plus, you can get anything. So, click on any of these. The ones with the more sources I've noticed take a lot faster to download. Like one with 14 sources, as you can see, is probably gonna take quite some time. Whereas 747 sources is, well, these download pretty fast. Some of the top ones download quite a bit faster than the other ones. Once you click here, just click download or click OK, and then go into transfers. You're gonna see it. I've already downloaded it, and downloading completed and tabs are um all downloading and completed are tabs you can get. After this, you can actually clear this out and do not remove torrent and data. But another thing is click saving to memory card. I've noticed is if you delete with the original FrostWire, I'm not sure about FrostWire Plus, but if you delete the app, you're going to lose the music, but there's actually a workaround around that. So you see I've already downloaded that and you can open it from here. But if I go into File Manager, Internal Storage, and you can get any file manager. Basically, you just want to find the FrostWire folder and um, torrent data. That's where you're going to find everything. Let me just turn down the music. So if you click on any of these, as you can see, it's working just fine. I honestly don't want to play the music from here. There you go. It's working just fine, and if you delete the app, I believe you'll lose the data. That's what it said in the original FrostWire. Not sure about FrostWire Plus, but if you want to be safe about that, just move it to another folder. Maybe move it to a music, maybe make a folder just for your music. Or what I basically do is just move it to my SD card. Yes, SD cards are getting quite rare nowadays, so it's going to be a lot harder finding one than it once was. So if I click on one of these songs, there you go. It works just fine. It has everything. Has everything on the song, has the album art, which is kind of hard to get on most music downloading apps do not have that, and that's why I believe this is the best one. And if you want to delete the album, just go in here, remove torrent and data, and there you go. That's all I really have to say. I believe this is probably the best way to get music for Android, and it was. That's all I have to say. And what do you think of this? Do you think it's a helpful app? That's all I have to say, and bye.